Oh, what do we have here? Today we have police surprise man and McDonald's drive-thru line ends horribly. I'm not gonna lie to you. What is your favorite thing to get from McDonald's? I like to mix it up. I like to get the hot and spicy, put ketchup on it for the mayo, right? Then we're gonna do a McDouble cheeseburger, add mac sauce, thebomb.com with a large fry. And I either go with the Skittle taste like Sprite, or we might do a sweet tea. But what are you guys' favorite order from McDonald's? I mean, I like to mix it up. I could do 2 hot and spicy, 2 cheeseburgers. You know what I'm saying? Like, sky's the limit. I love me some McDonald's. I don't care what they say in the media. McDonald's is thebomb.com. Do you understand me? But we finna dive right into this reaction. So without further ado, let's get it.
On May 26, 2025, officers were dispatched following reports of a hit and run.
Oh, shit.
The suspect vehicle was later spotted in the drive-thru line at McDonald's.
Oh, shit.
Hey, so you're in this crash, yeah? Yeah, your car. So
He looked big as hell in that car. I ain't never seen somebody make a SUV look small. Fuck.
Okay, yeah, well, just come over here after so we can talk.
Why would I talk to you?
Because reportedly you're in a crash, okay?
I didn't been to a crash. You can look at the car.
Okay, but we need to investigate that.
I mean, you can call, I don't care. You can call nobody. I don't care.
I'm telling you as the police.
He's telling you that he's not going to be compliant. That's what he's telling you. And he looks big as hell. Look at it. Size of his head, bro. Looks like a fucking pit bull.
You can meet me at my house.
No, you're not free to go. So when you get through the drive-thru line, you need to come over here.
Well, why would I talk to you?
Because I'm investigating.
I ain't gonna lie to you. I would have been like, okay, and got my food and ate on it before you take me to jail. That's what I would have done. That seems feasible.
Run crash. You're the suspect of that. I need to do a further investigation to figure out what happened, okay? So you are not going to be free to leave because we need to figure this out.
Hello.
I mean, he can take my address. He has my address, so.
Okay.
That don't mean you gonna be at the address, stupid. What is we? Well, go home, Roger. Come on now.
So when you go through the drive-thru, come over here so we can talk. Does that make sense?
Do I have to?
Yes.
Well, why?
I just explained that to you.
Yeah, but I didn't do that.
775. I'm at the McDonald's in Des Moines with the suspect driver's non-compliant. We'll take another priority.
At least he's going to get his food, because I would have got out of there so fast. I ain't never been that hungry to sit there and wait and get my motherfucking food knowing I'm about to get arrested. But, I mean, where can he go, though? He's kind of fucked. He really just ordered his food. That's crazy.
75. The driver's driving through the drive-thru. Told me he's not going to stay. He's going to go home.
I bet he not. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, you a nice officer, because I don't know too many officers that would have let them order their food.
Well, he told me that he was not going to stay in exchange of that. He was going to leave. Where did this happen at? Where did this happen? No, where did the crash happen? Where did the crash happen?
The west side of Pack Highway and the left turn lane to go north.
Okay. Yeah, so you're going, west on KDM. Okay.
East on KDM.
Sorry, that's
We're on the west side, yeah.
You're on the west side. Okay.
All those
How
going this
did
way.
it happen?
Huh?
How did the crash happen?
We were stopped at the red light waiting for it, and we're sitting there talking, and all of a sudden, boom, we get hit.
I like it. I ain't gonna lie, I definitely like his description of what happened.
Side playing. So, I get out of I didn't hit you.
Okay. So he rear-ended you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Is there damage to your car?
My guess from prior accidents, it said probably a couple grand because it's fake, the bumper that supports behind them.
Is there any visible damage?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I was trying to get my phone, and I had to walk back in my phone. It came back, it already backed up. Then he went all the way over to turn right to go down south, and so I took a few pictures as best I could.
So did he ever give you his name, his address?
Best I got was, and then because he wouldn't talk to me, I took a side mirror, just folded it in.
It's a big dude. Of course he's not gonna talk to you.
So, come on, pay attention over here. Then he got mad that I touched the side mirror.
Okay.
Ready to get out and kick my ass. So I started walking over, trying to get the phone to go to record mode. So.
Yeah. Okay.
Why are you walking away? I'll knock you out.
Hey, So you gotta park.
I know that.
Okay. So park.
Jesus, this guy is huge.
775. You can open the air of the suspects.
You gonna need backup. You gonna need about 15 people for him.
Come along now. Hey, dude.
Sheesh.
Hey,
He's got to be Samoan.
Wait.
stay here. So you're not free to leave, as I
I
explained
know,
to you.
but
What are you
He trying to go get his food.
to do, sir?
So, listen. This is not. So stop.
Okay,
This is not that big of a deal. No, you're not going back in the car.
I'm not going in. My son is in here.
Okay, leave them there.
Why?
And take your hand out of your pocket.
But why?
Okay, you're gonna go in hand. You're going in handcuffs. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Hey.
Oh shit.
They're trying to put me nothing.
I know. I don't.
Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased.
Just
You
can
shot
you
me.
just
Shoot
listen?
me.
I don't want to shoot you.
Hey.
Get on the ground or you're gonna get tased.
Why would I listen?
Oh, you got the
He say, why would I listen?
10.
Because you about to get tased.
Yeah.
Hey. Can you
Get on the ground. You're going in handcuffs. He already told you that. Right now, at this time, you're
Because you just left the scene of a crash and didn't give any information. That's a hit and run, buddy. You're going to jail.
resisting and
You're
obstructing.
under arrest. You're under
He's got to be like 400 pounds. Fuck.
arrest obstruction. You
Babe,
need
just
to.
shut the f up and
Miss, can you
listen.
step back, please? I
I
understand.
am trying to calm him down.
Okay, hold on.
Get on the ground.
Oh, shit. Damn. Oh. He bitch slapped him. That was an open hand. Hold on. Whoa. What? Oh, y'all see him sneaking in? Look at that. Boy, he been ready to slap the shit out of somebody all day. You can see it in his face. He is not fucking around.
Down.
Okay, hold on.
Get on the
Oh, that wasn't him that slapped him. It was him, Officer Tattoo. Damn. I'm sorry. That is excessive. 428. We just got to see that slap.
Hold on.
Jesus Christ. Ooh. Ooh. He said, oh, you gonna slap me, bitch? Okay. We're gonna make this a lot harder. Y'all finna work for this.
Babe, just listen. Babe, just listen.
Baby, shut up. That's what you need to do. He chose his fate.
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
Okay, you gonna need three cuffs.
You want to get your kid now? You can.
Here, I got another one.
You got that on video? You hit me?
And he smacked the shit out you. He bitch slapped you, boy. Oh man, I would be suing like a mother.
Fight the police.
Yeah, you cannot. You fucking idiot. Do you understand that?
Which one? There we go. I got him in the back.
That was it. He cocked it back too. Oh fuck.
Here, you need more cuffs or what? Yeah. There you go.
I was not expecting that.
Okay.
Jeez, Louise.
Well, why you hit me?
He smacked the dog shit out you too, boy.
We
Why you
have
hit
one in
me?
custody.
Oh,
Why you hit me?
Take another seat, please.
Why did you guys hit me? I didn't have nothing. I don't have nothing.
ooh, God, put that shirt back on.
I don't have nothing. Why you hit me?
All right.
Yeah, they got one.
But you guys
Cause you left the scene of a crash, stupid.
still hit me. I didn't
Hey,
do
right
that.
now you're in custody, okay? We're gonna read something to you, but we want to make sure that you're not injured.
Yeah, but you guys hit me. But I don't.
I'm gonna kind of
His face is burning right now.
jump here so you're not on your face. Okay?
We're gonna sit you up on your butt. You ready?
You guys still hit me.
Sit up on your butt. There
Why
we
did
go.
you hit me?
I slapped you in the face, sir, because you weren't paying attention.
Yes, you're supposed
You
to
weren't
listen.
you
That's
were
your
doing what we
problem.
were telling you
Listen.
to.
Yeah, but
And that's
you
why you
guys
got
did it.
slapped,
You guys
and that's
did
why you got tased, sir.
Not the motherfucker that slapped him talking now.
Sergeant right there. if you
Just
have
be
any
quiet. Just shut your mouth.
Oh, come on. Oh, so now I got bleeding.
Yeah, we'll get the fire department
Yeah, fire department's
clean you
down
up
here
before you go to jail, okay? You're under arrest now for resisting arrest.
Yeah, that's what happened. All you gotta do is just listen.
All you gotta do is turn around and put your hands behind your back, bro.
Let's
I don't
stand
know
up.
why you guys
Let
are arresting me. I'm already.
Let me pull my card.
What's the
right here.
sergeant?
Right there. She's right
Is he drunk?
next to you.
So I'm already pulling over. So I don't know why you guys do me like that. I'm
Do you guys
ready
have your
to
code
cover.
books on you?
I'm
I
already
got-
a couple.
Hey, I want to talk to you about it, but I gotta read this to you because you're in handcuffs, you're in custody, okay?
But I don't have a warrant.
I understand. So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. All right, so the reason why that happened is I understand that you pulled over and But the officers are telling you to do something and you're not doing it.
But I'm already at least trained to pull over. I pull over.
And they're telling you, sorry, and they're telling you to do something, so that's what happened. And then you're actively trying to fight my officers.
I didn't try to fight them.
Yeah, you lowered your body. You did. They're giving you a lawful order to take your hands out of your pockets, okay? And you refuse to do that.
And you pulled away from him when he said we were going to put you in handcuffs. That's what led to all this together,
So
sir.
that's what.
Okay.
Oh, he was going to jail, but it wouldn't have been this bad. Now you got fleeing the scene of accident and resisting officers.
They were investigating
They was not playing with your big ass neither. Tattoos came out of nowhere. Bow!
hit and run collision with you as a driver, so that's why we are here.
Probably this
You
one.
did not cooperate with that investigation.
But you told me to pull over, but I pull over.
Yeah, but you don't.
So
He's
now
not
you
getting
are in
it.
custody
Can I get up?
for resisting arrest.
Well, we'll just have you sit here for a second, man. The fire department's always here. They're going to take a look at that leg, get it cleaned up, okay?
Yeah, can I get up, please?
Yep, we're gonna help
Would
you
you
up.
prefer to stand up?
Okay, you gotta roll up on your knee.
So you want to get up, please?
That's how you get up.
Up and then.
Sorry, I have my left back.
That's okay. That's all right.
Damn.
Seat on the pit bar right here.
You want to sit on the front of the car?
Pull my shirt up.
Stay right here.
Damn, yeah, cover up his booty cracks.
I understand, but you're gonna stand there here. You're gonna listen to us, okay? You understand? I talked to you, and now you're gonna listen to us.
I'm going to I took out bail bond.
And look, he respectful with the woman. He just ain't care about the men.
We can. The jail will handle all that.
Because I just want to know if I'm going to get locked up so I can get bail.
You're going to jail. You're going to go to Kent jail.
Can I get bail so I can...
You can contact her once you get to the jail. If you need us to write a phone number down, we can do that. But right now, our primary thing is we're going to have the fire department come and check you out. We're going to clean up your leg.
Can you like at least help me out? Let me a warning or something? I just want
A warning?
Nah, my boy. Once they slap them cuffs on you, you going to jail unless there was just a misunderstanding and you was wrong place, wrong time. Because I've seen them take the cuffs off of people before, but they was compliant. They listened to everything. You know what I'm saying? They didn't talk shit, none of that.
No. You actively resisted our officers. You're not getting a warning.
Yeah, but I didn't resist when he told me to pull over.
When did you have your last drink?
I just woke up.
What's that?
I didn't drink.
You haven't had
Oh, God.
any alcohol today?
I smell like alcohol, yeah.
You smell some alcohol.
The alcohol on my shirt.
It was poured on your shirt?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Man, that boy drunk as hell.
Would you be willing to consent to a voluntary field sobriety test? No? Are you willing to consent to a
He's like, bro, get the fuck out of my face, bro.
preliminary breath test that wouldn't replace any test? Okay. No, none of that? Okay.
I want my lawyer though.
Yeah. You want your lawyer? Okay. So you don't want us asking further questions about your lawyer?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. What's your last name?
I need my lawyer though.
We got to know your name, okay?
I'm not gonna give you my
You're
name.
not going to give your name?
You've been locked up with John Doe and that was
Yeah, John Doe.
It makes things take a little longer.
I was on the phone with my husband the whole time driving here. There was nothing that happened. Like,
Were you in a different car?
no.
Oh, you
I
were
live
in-
down the street. Literally, like, down the street.
Were you in that
No.
car? Oh,
I was
okay.
on the phone with him the whole time.
Okay.
And, like,
So-
he would have told me or something, you know, but...
Yeah, so there was a hit and run collision that happened right up there.
I know, but which way? Like, coming from this way or
It
that
was
way?
going that. It was. I don't know.
Oh,
I don't
sir?
know. I don't
Where
know
did he
for
hit you at?
Justin, he's not on the way. No, he won't give his name.
He ain't finna make it easy for y'all now. Come on now.
'Cause I can tell you, if he's coming from a different way, my husband's coming the other way, that's bullshit. That's
Okay.
why I want to know which way he's coming from. Because we live down the street.
I know Oliver's trying to talk to you. What's your husband's first name?
Yeah.
What's wrong? What is your major complaint?
I have a headache.
Okay. What would you like me to do about that?
Yeah, he be. All right, if I got slapped like that, I have a headache too. But dang, boy,
The
sheesh.
only one in the car?
No, I was sitting in the front, and our mutual friend is in the back seat, and the two grandbabies.
Oh, y'all got. They had kids in. Oh nah, bro. Come on, man. They got kids in the car. You hit them?
Okay. Whoever
Yeah, he's drunk.
has ideas will take. Okay.
But if you have any other questions, he's going to go to Kent jail.
Yeah.
So he can give you a call from there.
Well,
Okay?
would he be able to have a bail today or?
That's a good question. He might. It just depends on what his level of cooperation is once he gets there, honestly. So
And he ain't doing too much cooperating. So good luck with that little baby. He is not doing that at all.
Yeah. So, all right. Thank you for trying to get him to do that. So.
We were sitting at Kent Des Moines Road on this side, because I don't know north from south, so this side.
Okay.
We were sitting at the red light. We had pulled up right as it turned red, so we were sitting there for a really, really, really long time.
Okay.
They had the other car had pulled up behind us, and I'd seen it. They were stopped. We were chatting.
Is this car like?
Yes,
Okay.
this car. We were chatting for a few minutes, and then all of a sudden we were jerked forward, indicating that we'd been hit from the back.
Okay.
So,
Alrighty.
After the crash happened, he asked, "Did we just get hit?" And I went, "Yes." And he got out of the car to talk to the driver and get information from them, like pictures and whatever.
Yeah.
And they proceeded to back up. And I thought,
So you personally didn't speak with the other
I did
driver?
not
Okay.
interact with them at all. My head, they were backing up to maybe like pull off to the side of the road with us, but they cut across to the right-hand turn lane, and that's when my dad chased after or whatever happened. I couldn't see fully because there was two cars in between us.
Okay.
But he
W dad.
somehow the vehicle stopped, and I saw him taking photos, and then my dad was walking down the sidewalk when the driver of this vehicle got out and started to chase after, or indicated that he was going after him. And then that's when I was like, I'm going to call 911, because at that point I had felt escalated to the point that maybe something could have potentially happened.
Okay. Alrighty. He smells like of alcohol. He refused. His wife said he was drinking last night. He said he was drinking last night. He refused any type of test. They're not cooperating on these, but I think that's enough for the blood warrant. You have the collision itself makes no sense. A normal driver wouldn't do that. And then you have the odor of alcohol. And I did notice he was a little unstable on his feet over here.
Okay. Sorry, I had to close that door because we're moving, okay? So, my name's Officer Castro. Everything's on video recorded, okay? I understand they read you your rights and you don't want to talk to us about anything right now, okay? I'm just going to let you know what's going on, all right? So, right now you're under arrest for DUI, okay? So, the part of the process is we're going to be going to the Kent jail. I'm going to contact a judge and get a blood search warrant to get a sample of your blood, okay? So I just want to be as transparent as possible and let you know what's going on, all right? So I'm just going to put the seatbelt on.
Oh, it's not gonna work.
Oh, they already tried it? Okay.
Yeah, I tried to max it out.
Okay, all right. So,
That's fucked up.
understood. All right, I'm going to close this door, okay? Just watch your leg, all righty? All right.
The man was taken to the hospital for a blood draw, which confirmed the presence of alcohol in his system. He was charged with DUI, hit and run, and resisting arrest.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out. I'm gonna have some uploads going on my second page right after this. It should be premiering right now, actually. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next premiere.